What is up, guys? This is Mr. Savage. So, today we will be teaching you how to clean your dishwasher. So first, some ingredients you would need are vinegar and baking soda. As you can see, the baking soda we are getting for this next step, you will learn in the video. So in this dishwasher, we just got this brand new dishwasher, and we've been using it for about another 2 years. But it can get messy, it can get dirty from all the food that we eat. So we just, are going to clean the dishwasher. Okay, so we're going to open it, and I'm going to give you a tour of this dishwasher. Okay, so we have the top rack, and has a fan. It's got a cup holder. And then we have the bottom rack, which is the bottom rack, and it holds a lot of extra stuff. This is where most of your food can get caught up, where you have the plates and, so this is where you have to try to get the best clean out of. Yeah. So to do this, all we have our trusty partner who agreed to help clean this thing since he knows a lot about it. What's your name? All right, what a very nice name that is. All right, so what do you do first?
Open the dishwasher, open the top rack, and put this one back here in the middle.
So what is that in the center?
The cup.
What kind of cup?
It's just a measuring cup.
Okay.
I put in the middle of it. And then this is distilled vinegar. I'm going to take it, open it up. Actually, we can use this for 1 cup.
So 1 cup of vinegar, you say?
So 1 cup. Pour it in the middle.
And set it. And
Set it. So make sure it doesn't fall. And slide it in. Close it. And then run 1 cycle through.
so 1 dishwash. So what should happen with this cycle after it's done?
This should clean all the mildew and any other contaminant inside the dishwasher, and should clean it. After the cycle is done, we come back and do baking soda, pour it all over inside, and then start another cycle. That should clean fresh and smell really good.
Okay, then. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.